Good morning friends. Today I am speaking about myself. My name is Shashank Deepak Patil and I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Sri Mukteshwar Vidyalaya Ausa and I am 12 years old. There are 6 members in my family. My father name is Deepak. He is businessman. And my mother is housewife. I have an elder brother. His name is Nikhil. He is studying in 9th standard. I will tell you some of my favorites. My favorite color is orange. My favorite movie is Pushpa and Chhawa. My favorite game is cricket and I am big fan of Rohit Sharma. I want to play cricket also and my favorite subject is English and my mother tongue is Marathi. I like to planting trees. My ideal person is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and I want to become an IIT engineer. Thank you. Thank you for listening my speech.